Hello action takers, this is Alenka from Affiliate Marketing Action Today. Welcome to my channel where I do money making online product reviews and give you tips on how to start and maintain your affiliate marketing business online. So today I have a new product that I'm reviewing for you. It's Club Shanghai, another ClickBank product. But before I start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So what is Club Shanghai? It is an e-digital product. It's sold via ClickBank, and it claims it'll teach you how to become an internet marketer and earn lots of money very soon. So pros, you have money back guarantee since it's sold via ClickBank. There is some quite, well, I wouldn't say quite good, but a lot of information, and the training is it's patchy, but there is a lot of text that you can read through, and the entry price is really cheap. It's only $7. Cons, this is actually just another ClickBank product, just rehashed, and it's given a different name. Insider profit groups, product that I reviewed a month ago. You can find, I shall leave the link for that video in the description, so you can have a look. It is basically the same thing. Why they do that, I'm not quite sure. I guess they just hope people won't find out. Anyway, so it is basically the same thing. So they've just changed a few titles, and I think some of the upsells are different. Otherwise, it is the same thing. Anyway, so the training, as I've said, you get quite a lot of information. You get PDFs. I'll show you actually. So this is the members area. So you get Shanghai Messenger system. And then you get these two guides, which are this one, the Ultimate Facebook Chatbot Step-by-Step Guide. And there are quite a few pages here. Let me just wait for my computer to load this. There are 84 pages, so it's quite a comprehensive guide. However, sadly, even even when reading it afterwards, I don't think I'm none the wiser actually. Because it is not a step-by-step guide of what I need to do. It's rather kind of just a lot of information. But I guess if you really wanted to delve into creating a Facebook chatbot, this would be a good starter point. I don't know. In any case, 84 pages, it is not something that we can't say that they haven't at least tried to give you quantity, at least. And then the China secret, chatbot secrets, it just continues about chatbot Facebook Messenger. And you do get some, yes, you do get some information about how to send an automated sequence or use affiliate marketing, and etc. I will say, even though there are pages and pages of it, like this is maybe 30 or 30 pages here. It says 30 pages. You can't really see this bit of my screen, but I can see that I have 30 pages. It's informational. I will say that much. Are you ready to build a Facebook chatbot after this? No, of course you're not. You need more training. And what's the use of having a chatbot, Facebook chatbot, if you don't know what to do with it? If you don't have a business in place first. And if you have a business in place first, you don't really buy products like Club Shanghai to learn about anything. So I'm always puzzled. Who are these products aimed at? I guess just the people maybe who believe they'll get, I don't know, they'll buy a $7 product and then get rich very quickly. I'm not quite sure. So the second part is about cryptocurrency. I will be honest with you and say that I don't know anything about cryptocurrency. I've read through these two guides the first time around when I reviewed the Inside the Profit groups, I didn't feel that I was ready to kind of go into trading cryptocurrency. I feel like I know a little bit more about it, but that's about it. Which shows me that if someone comes in as a complete beginner, let's say wanting to do Facebook marketing or cryptocurrency, or the next bit is about e-commerce. So if you're coming as a complete beginner, as I am with cryptocurrencies, you can't really start a business with this product. You just cannot. However, if you want to spend $7 and get some general information, then yes, it's not too bad. But you can get all this for free in like one YouTube video. They're not really giving you information that is not available online already. And the third part deals with e-commerce. So there you have like the ultimate guide to Shopify. Here it says it's video training. It is not. It's just a PDF. Why they put the video training? I think they probably meant to do video training, but they never did. But also, this exact same thing stands in the other product. They've also said video training. I mean, this is just, again, a rehashed product, and that's it. They haven't bothered even fixing the mistakes. Then you have e-commerce, Kickstart, eBay. So e-commerce dealing with Shopify, then with eBay, selling on eBay, and then selling on Amazon. Three main ways how to do, and there are many other ways how to do e-commerce, but these are the three main ways how to do e-commerce. So that is the members area of Club Shanghai. I'll just go back to my review because there are a few other things I wanted to tell you. So there are quite a few upsells. First, you pay $7, and then you cannot finish this sale unless you go through the offer for the upsell of $197. So what I don't like about this is this big orange button that just is inviting you to click on it, and then goodbye to $100, gets you an upsell. You don't really know what you're buying. They don't really tell you what the upsell is about. Well, at least not in detail. And then this tiny little line here says, no thanks, I don't want to supercharge my results. So this is the one, if you're not wanting to spend much money, or spend $200 or even $500 by the end of the upsells, you need to click on this link. And then you're taken to another downsell, this time for $97. And then again, if you don't want to spend that money, be careful not to press get started now, but also click here on no thanks, I don't want to supercharge my results. And then there's another upsell of £147. These exact same prices as the other product, and this upsell is the same as in the other product. Wow. They're selling exactly the same thing, just they changed the name. Amazing. Anyway, so finally when you've gone through all the upsells and downsells, you can finally finish your purchase for $7 and then just get on with it. I did not buy any of the upsells or downsells because I'm just not interested in wasting my money on that. Here it says they're going to update the Club Shanghai every month. However, the last update, this members area is updated the second week of each month. Then the next update is due February 14th, 2019. That update has not obviously happened. And then they're just talking about January and February. So no mention of March or April. So basically, they've just put the product here and forgot about the promise. So what I think about Club Shanghai is, I don't want to be unfair because you do get some training, but as far as I'm concerned, this is just another shiny object for you to waste your time on, because you'll be reading through all this information, and it all sounds very exciting. It's all very new, and there is a lot of info. So you think, oh yes, I'll do this and you'll do that. But when it comes down to actually doing something with this information, then you'll find yourself stuck, because you won't know actually where to start. To start a business online, just like with any other business, you need step-by-step training. So what they'd like you to do, how they earn their money, actually, all these PDFs are just long articles promoting one of the e-commerce or affiliate platforms. There's nothing wrong with that, and they have quite a few affiliate links. Again, nothing wrong with that. So if they are talking about Shopify, they're not really telling you everything you need to know about e-commerce. But what they'd like you to do is just go and try Shopify, and then hopefully sign up, and then they'll get their affiliate commissions. Again, absolutely nothing wrong with that. I do that as well. It's just that I don't say, oh yes, read my 3,000 word article, and then all of a sudden you'll become an internet marketer and you'll be earning, I don't know, loads of money immediately. I would never say that, because that's not how it works. Also, you'll get super confused because you need to decide pretty early on whether you're going to do cryptocurrency, or you're going to do e-commerce, or you're going to do affiliate marketing. You can mix. In fact, I know people who mix all three, but they become really good at one thing first, and then they branched into another, and then mastered that platform, and then tried the third thing. And by that time, they're already earning quite a lot of money from the first two, and then they can employ people to do quite a lot of work all together. So yes, I think you'll just end up being very confused. So is Club Shanghai a scam? I don't think it's a scam. You can get your money back from ClickBank, and also you get a fair amount of general information about online marketing. Again, as I've said, you can get it for free, but if you'd like to pay $7, that's what you're going to get for those $7. What could you do instead? If you're really serious about becoming an internet marketer and being your own boss, or working from home, or generating some extra income, I really suggest affiliate marketing. It is, as far as I'm concerned, the best online business model, because there is no selling involved. There are no startup costs. You don't have to worry about customer support. No worries about shipping, cost of shipping. There's no inventory, no storage. It's just a fabulous business model to start from home and to start learning about internet marketing. And then if you'd like to do some e-commerce, maybe you can do that later. In affiliate marketing, as I've said already, you don't sell anything, but you recommend products that you've used yourself, or services that you've used yourself, and you'd like to share your experience and say, hey, this is really great. I'd like you to try this as well. It might help you solve your problem, whatever it is that your website is on. My website is a money-making online website. It's in money-making online niche. So I hopefully solve the problem of where you can learn about affiliate marketing and how you should go about doing affiliate marketing online. And for that, I would like to recommend my #1 recommended platform, where I've learned affiliate marketing. In fact, where I'm still learning affiliate marketing every day, where I'm hosting my websites, where I'm a part of a huge community of already super successful affiliate marketers. This platform has over 1 million members. If you have any problems, you can just go on the platform, ask for help, and someone will immediately, in live chat, try to help you. It's really amazing. You can sign up for free for your starter free account. You can stay a free member for life, but for 7 days, you also get the full access to the platform. So you can, all this what I'm saying, you can check it out for yourself. In addition to that, you get 10 free lessons in affiliate marketing, by the end of which your 2 websites that you'll also get for free. So one of those websites, or even 2, if you're super fast, will be set up for business. Your first contents will be written out by yourself, even if you're starting and thinking, I've never written anything, I don't know how to write, because that is exactly what I did. I almost gave up because I've never written anything longer than like 200 words, and I hate writing. But because of this really amazing step-by-step comprehensive training, I've learned how to write my articles, how to research my articles, how to write them, and now I can write a 2,000 word article no problem. It takes some time, it takes some practice, hard work and dedication. You're not going to become rich overnight, but it's really worth it. It really is worth it. Then after the free account, you can join the premium membership, where you get access to all the tools that you have in the first week, and I could not recommend it more. I honestly could not recommend it more. For less than $1 per day, you can set up your business and run your business. Hosting and everything included. Free WordPress themes for your website, free help, free advice. It's just amazing. Oh, actually, just free for the first 7 days, and then when you upgrade to premium, for less than $1 per day. That is amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.